Hi, I'm Jack Andraka with The Scoop, and we're here with Louise Schaper, all the way from Australia. And you run an organization called HISA, so tell us a little bit about that.
Thanks, Jack. Yes, I run HISA. HISA stands for the Health Informatics Society of Australia, and we've been around for almost 25 years. So before digital health was even a term, we were doing digital health. So we're a non-profit, non-government organisation, and our job is effectively to advocate for, support the growing ecosystem in digital health.
Awesome.
Informatics. It's
Yeah,
very cool.
yeah. So, what got you really passionate about health informatics?
Oh, great question. Well, I didn't even know there was this thing called health informatics. I trained as an occupational therapist, and I went to the hospital, as you do as a student, and I wanted to study. I was like you, trying to be a good student, and so I wanted to study to look at this person's medical record before I interviewed her. And they gave me a wad of paper, and that's okay. I expected it would be paper, and I couldn't make head or tail of it. And anyway, and when I was really horrified to learn how poor our record keeping is in healthcare. So after my OT degree, I ended up doing a PhD in health informatics.
Oh, wow.
And I started volunteering for my organisation as a student, and now I run it, which is cool.
Wow, so there's a lot of really exciting health tech things going all over Australia, so tell us a little bit about that.
Well, there is lots of stuff happening. So one of the things that we have in Australia, which has just started, is a national electronic health record. So the idea that you can go anywhere in Australia, well, and I guess internationally because it's all online, and have your electronic health record with you.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so that's
really
pretty
incredible.
cool. It's, we've got bugs to iron out. It's just started, but it's much better than, if you talk to any patient that's got wads of paper that they have to carry around with them, much better if it can be online, all secure, of course, and all that.
Yeah. Well, that sounds really exciting. Now, I have one last question for
Okay.
you. How bad was that plane flight?
The plane flight to get here, okay, I live in Melbourne, and Jack came out and visited us recently, so it's a long way. So it's like 18 hours between Melbourne and LA. But if you fly Qantas, not that this is an advertisement for them, but it's so much better than other airlines.
Oh, yeah.
So it's a long way, but I work all the time, and that's cool. Like I love what I do, but I tend to not work on planes because it's too hard. Got the laptop and someone puts their seat back, and so 18 hours where no one can email me, no one can phone me. I can't get online and distract myself. It's awesome. I just watch television and I sleep.
Well, thank you so much for being here.
I'm so pleased to be on The Scoop with Jack Andraka. How cool.
For The Scoop, I'm Jack Andraka.